Hopefully I don't get caught. But these are the elevators at the Four Seasons, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And this is gonna be for 10 years. Oh, check them out. I'm gonna do a good quick take on these before I head back to the Jefferson area. I believe these are Schindler. We're going up to 60, take H2. We're right here. Here we are. Don't want to get any more on camera. Let's hold on tight to this heavy. I want to hold on tight to this thing. Whoa, shit, these are fast. Whoa, shit, these are fast. Yeah, that view is fucking incredible. Sorry for my language. Well, my ears are pretty popping. Oh God. Wow. Shoot. Wow. These views are even more incredible than from 3535 Market's 16th floor cafeteria. I believe that building had Westinghouse or Montgomery, but I'm not sure. And wow, my ears are popping. Wow. This is fucking amazing. Sorry for my language. Where do I go back? Down. I'm gonna go back down to 1. Yeah, these views are fucking incredible. Sorry for my language. Sorry, I'm just checking out all the views. Still birds. Yep. Going back down to 1. Let's hold on to this handrail tightly. But yeah. Whoa, shoot. These are wow. Amazing. This is the one and only time I'm doing this. But yeah, these views are fucking incredible. Sorry for my language. Amazing views. And even my ears are popping. Holding on to this pretty tightly. But yeah, just look at that. Wow. Whoa. And that's it.